Hello everyone. Now we are going to unbox these two parcels. So let's start with this red color parcel. It's fully taped. You can see. So let's open this. Okay. Inside we have another small pouch. So nothing more. This all is a sponge. So let's open this. So this is a pouch. So inside we have these coins. Let's quickly check what we have. The first coin is 1/4 of 1940. Actually, this is a UNC looking condition. You can see good UNC. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have some 13 UNC quadrata coins, all of George VI King. So this is from one parcel. Let it be. So let's quickly open this another parcel. So this is inside nothing more, just a sponge. So let's open this. Okay, we have opened. This is something for packaging. Okay, here we have some token. Let's see later. Okay, inside we have some pouch. Here are some coins. So that's all in. This is some packing. And let's quickly open this. So here are some, I think these all three are token collections. You can see no cash value. This also, sorry, red deer, no cash value. And this also some no cash value, but different thing, grab and go 2.0. And this also no cash value. And this is kind of some mentioning American Eagle. So these three are for sale also. So the next lot we have here is some American quarter dollars. You can see all are quarter dollars, also in good condition. uh, let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So total we have 16 quarter dollars. That's almost, not almost, exactly $4. So these together $4. Okay. Let's check this parcel. I mean this pouch. And this thing here we have is, I think, yeah, it is 17 1 rupee coin set. Uh, wait, let me show you. Starts with 75, 1975. Where is 76? 1975, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. This is a set of 8, and the next we can see here is, okay, wait a minute, 83. After 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 88, 89, 90, and 91. So this is from 1975 until 1991. This is a complete set of 17 coins. So these four lots we got now. This is 1 rupee set and quarter dollar and three token collections, and this one another parcel like 13 UNC quadrata coins, and he have mentioned that this is a gift coin. I mean, so this is like my first order with him. So he wanted to gift this. So let's check. I'm not okay. So this is how we open, and you can see it is laminated. I don't know much Hindi, so let's see. Sihansta Mahakumbha Mudra, silver plated. Okay, so this is like I think weight is less, so it may be aluminum or nickel brass like that, and that is coated with silver. So this one is a gift from him. Thank you so much. So that's all guys. These are the collections which we purchased recently, and hope you all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.